What's up, guys? This is Walter of Kiriko, Taiko. Ashley and I, we're at practice right now. Every Monday night we got practice here. If you're welcome, if you would like, you are welcome to come join us. Okay. But anyways, what are you doing? Say hi.
Hello.
Okay, so we're practicing the Uchi-dashi and the Rhythm-uchi 1 rhythm. And we're kind of putting the two together now. So we're gonna loop that a couple times, several times. And if you are learning Kiriko Taiko yourself, feel free to follow us. I'm focusing the camera on Ashley instead of me playing, okay? So you can focus on her sticking and practice that way, okay? All right, are you ready?
Yeah!
You're gonna make me deaf. Okay, all right, let's go. All right, you're high-fiving the camera. Okay, that's good. All right. Okay, ready? So from Uchi-dashi, okay? Let's do it 3 times. Uchi-dashi and Rhythm-uchi 1. Okay? Okay? All right. Uchi-dashi wa hai, 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 hai. Okay? All right, はい、いきますよ。はい、さSo, still need to do some tweaking, some practice, but for the most part, it was okay. You know, it's a slow process, right? Taiko, just like any other art form, you need patience, you need consistency, and you know, just a little tweaking here and there with the hands, the position, and all that. So we've been teaching Ashley all of those things, you know, including how to respect the dojo. When we walk in the room, we bow. When we leave, we bow, pay our respects. And I'm teaching her, you know, what the taiko drum is made out of and all that stuff, right?
Midaru?
Right, what the taiko is made out of. Okay. All right, guys. So thanks for watching, and I hope you were able to follow along. Okay, so as we progress, we're gonna do that again next time. Okay. All right. Thanks for watching. See you. Bye.